Hello, my name is Tanya McDowell. I'm a President's Team Member with Herbalife and Online Business Systems. I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use your toll-free number. To start, hold your mouse over the Home tab and select Toll-Free Number from the drop-down menu. You're going to access your toll-free system from here. The first thing you'll want to note is your unique toll-free number. Okay, make sure that you record this in your Online Business Systems training manual. This number can be accessed from anywhere in North America, and it's a voicemail only system. So it's not going to ring at your house and you can't forward it to another phone number. When somebody calls and leaves you a message, your new messages will show up here. Right, I'm just going to really quickly walk you through each of the columns so you know how they relate to the information in your business. First is the type of phone call. Okay, so in this particular case, you have a phone message that's come in. The second thing is going to be your call details. Your call details should show you the name of the person, right? If they're already a contact in your contact manager. It will also always display the telephone number for which they called from. And you'll note that this is a new message. Right? New messages are also highlighted when you log into your toll-free system. The next part will be your call details, what number they called, what date they called, and the time that they called. You'll see the call length. This includes how long they listened to your message and the length of the message they left to you. Play message is exactly the same as any other audio file on your computer. So to listen to your messages, simply click the play button. If you wanted to pause the message or stop the message, you can do that as well. Once you're done with the message, simply hit the red X button. Just know that this permanently deletes your message. It cannot be recovered. The green arrow is for forwarding messages. This isn't a function that you're going to be using right now and something for more advanced users. The last section is for functions that you'll be able to do with this message. So for example, if you'd like to add this to your contact manager because it's a new contact that you've heard from, simply click this button and it will prompt you to a new screen where you can enter the contact details. You can also download and save the file to your computer. If you'd like to do this, simply click this button and the download will begin. And the last function is to add the message to your audio creator. Again, this is an advanced function and not something we'll be covering as we're setting up your system. You'll also be able to filter some of your messages using the drop-down menus from the above of your messages. First of all, you'll be able to look at your inbox or sent messages. You'll also be able to look at new messages or saved messages. You'll be able to look at voicemails, faxes, or just people that have hung up on you. And the last thing, this number sets the amount of messages that you're viewing all at the same time. Now, one thing you may have noticed as I was going through each of those filters is that your toll-free number can function as an incoming fax service. So if anybody from North America wants to send you a fax, they can send it to your toll-free number. Any faxes will show up in the same place as any voicemails for you, but underneath the type, it will be noted as a fax instead of a phone call. Last, we're going to go through options as you're setting up your toll-free number. So on the top right-hand side of your screen, just below your toll-free number, click on Options. Your options are going to allow you to set your voicemail settings. So for example, you'll be able to have a PIN number so that you can phone into your toll-free system and you can check messages over the phone if you can't access a computer. The PIN number is pre-assigned for you, however, you can change it at any time. Make sure that this is unique and easy to remember. If we go down a little bit, you'll see what type of toll-free number that you have. Everybody has a standard toll-free number, and you have unlimited incoming minutes for people to be able to leave messages for you. You can check your messages from anywhere that you have access to a phone. Simply dial the specific phone number as listed here, enter in your toll-free number followed by the pound key, and then enter the PIN as you set it above. The last thing that we need to cover are your voicemail greetings. When your callers reach you, we want to make sure that you have a professional voicemail that identifies you and encourages them to leave a message with the information that they're looking for about your business or your products. To record your own message, simply follow one of the two instructions below. Either record a greeting using your website, or you can record a greeting using the phone. Once you've recorded your greeting, it will be uploaded to your back office automatically, and all you have to do is select from the drop-down menu here your personalized recorded greeting. Make sure you do that and then save the greeting. If you'd like to listen to your greeting and how your callers will hear you, simply go to the audio file and click play, and of course pause or stop when you're done. The very last thing is that you'll be able to hear the pre-recorded greetings that are available to you. Again, these have been already loaded into your back office, into your messaging system, and there is a generic one that people will hear until you've recorded your own message. Once you're done setting up your toll-free number and you'd like to return to the main part of your toll-free system, simply scroll up and select Messages from the top right-hand menu. One last thing is that you'll want to review the Important Information section at the bottom. It's simply going to give you information on what programs you need to have downloaded to your computer so that you don't have any trouble listening to your audio messages, and it will make sure that you have the appropriate reader so that any incoming faxes can be read on your computer. Any other questions that you have about using your toll-free number, make sure that you write them down and ask your coach. Thank you very much.